Hi guys, so I want to cornrow my hair. I just want to keep my hair in place for some time. So let's do cornrows. And I couldn't find my rat comb, so I'm going to be using this to part my hair. Then I'll be using my fingers to detangle. Okay, I'll be finger detangling. My hair is already moisturized, so let's get started.
So guys, I'm starting off by parting my hair. It is best to use a rat comb because I was literally struggling with this afro comb. It was hanging on my hair and it was so hard for me to like part my hair with it, but I got to do what I got to do because I don't have any other option right now. As I said, I couldn't find my rat comb. So guys, after parting my hair, I'll proceed to fluffing it out and begin cornrowing. As you can see, the thing you have to bear in mind is that the hair at the middle should always come forward, like you use your index finger and your thumb while making cornrows. I don't really know how to explain this, but uh if you want to start up a cornrow, make sure that the middle hair comes upwards. If it goes downward, that means you're about to make DD or inverted cornrows. So that is all I can say about cornrows. This is not a detailed tutorial. I might make a detailed tutorial later, but if you're a fast learner, watching it this way can actually help you learn how to cornrow your own hair. Okay, so I'm done with making the first cornrow, and as you can see, the lines are not so nice because I didn't use a rat comb to part my hair. That is why I said it is best to use a rat comb. So guys, I'll go ahead now and part the second one. If you're parting your hair for cornrows, make sure that the hair at the front is larger than the one at the back, so that by the end of making your cornrows, you don't lose space at the back of your hair. You know that the front part of your hair is larger than the nape of the hair, so that is why you should part your hair and make the front part to be larger than the one at the back. Okay, so guys, I'm making the second cornrow, and as I said, if you're a fast learner, you actually understand my finger movements. Okay, so guys, my phone went off and this is all I could film for you guys. As I said, this is not a tutorial. Okay, so this is the end result. They came out so nice and they are 10 in total. What do you think about my DIY cornrows?